It's our maths class and we are learning 3-digit numbers. Yesterday we did the exercises related to understanding 3-digit number, abacus and the short form and the expanded form. Today we will do the exercise place values in 3-digit numbers, that is on page number 35. Page number 35. Place values in 3-digit numbers. What are the single digit number, 2-digit number or the 3-digit number? We start the counting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here 1 to 9 there is only one digit, and from 10 the digit starts into 2. 1, 0, 10. That's why whenever the number is in 2-digit, we said that the place is tens. Now till 99, till 99, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81 and 91, till 99 and then 100. Till 99 the numbers 10. From 99, the smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the largest 2-digit number is 99. From 99 onwards, the digits are 3 digits number, because 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 numbers. That's why 3-digit numbers. We are learning 3-digit numbers. We have written the counting from 101 to 1000. But the 1000, 1, 0, 0, 0. There are 4 digits in the number 1000. So the 1000 is the 4-digit number. But we are not going to the 4-digit number. We are just learning 3-digit number. That's why the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the largest 3-digit number is 999. Afterwards, the number changes 1000. 1000 is the 4-digit number. Now you may understand that what is the 1-digit, single-digit, 2-digit or 3-digit numbers. Here is just an introduction of 1, 2 and 3-digit numbers. Now page number 35. Place value in 3-digit numbers. The position of a digit in a number gives it a place value. The position of a digit in a number gives it a place value. How? The position of a digit in a number gives it a place value. How? Suppose the number is 528. It is the number 528. It is the number. And digits are 8, 2 and 5. These are digits and the number is 528. Now we will read it again. The position of a digit in a number gives it a place value. The position of a digit की जो position है number में वो उसकी place value होती है. Suppose 8 is on 1's place, so 1's is its place value. 2 is on 10's place and 5 is on 100's place. So place value of 2 will be 20. Place value of 5 will be 500 and place value of 8 will be 8 because it is on 1's place. It is single digit number. Okay. Now how we will write digit and place value. Digit 5, digit 2, digit 8. How we will write? 5 is on which place? 100's place. O, T, H. 500. Now how many zeros in 10? 10 में कितना जीरो होता है? 1. तो 2 के बाद हम 1 जीरो लगाएंगे. 20 and the 8. 528. हम बोलते भी ऐसे ही ना. अगर you know, please read this number. How will you read? Ma'am, it is 528. Slowly read. 500. Here it is the 500. 20. Here it is the 20 and 8. Here it is the 8. So it is very easy. There is no nothing complicated in it. If you will read the number properly, the exercise will be very easy for you. If you can't read the number properly, it would be difficult for you. So first of all, read properly the number, write the counting, read it every day. Okay, read the number, any of the number. Counting ही रोज read करें. Okay. Now we will do the exercise. Question number 1. Fill in page number 35. Question number 1. Fill in. Here it is the number, digit, place value, digit, place value, digit, place value. Here it is the table. D for digit and PV for place value. Here the number B 120. So the digit 1, place value 100. Digit 2, place value 20, and digit 3, place value 3. Okay. C 749. So the digit 7, place value is 700. The digit 4, place value is 40, and the digit 9, place value is 9. अगर इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आता है आपके तो आप ऐसे सॉल्व करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे? सपोज द नंबर इज 123. Digit 1, it's on 100 place, so place value is 100. Digit 2, it's on tens place, so place value will be 20. 2 tens or 20 are the same. And the 3, it is on ones place, so we will write the digit 3 and place value will be the 3. If we talk about the place, it is the place value. If we talk about the place is for digit 3 it is ones, for digit 2 it is tens, and for digit 1 it is hundreds place. Okay. So place is ones, tens and hundred, and place value is 1 is on 100 place, the place value will be 100. 2 is on tens place, so 2 tens is equal to 20, and 3 the single digit number, so the place value will be 3. 7 is on hundreds place, 700. 4 tens 40, and the 9 ones is 9. C D 520. 5 place digit 5, the place value will be 500. Digit 2, the place value will be 20, and digit 0, the place value will be 0. E 643. Digit 6, the place value will be 600. Digit 4, the place value will be 40, and digit 3, the place value will be 3. Okay. F 957. 9 for digit 9, 900. Same expanded form है, कोई भी ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. We are writing just like expanded form. Expanded form short form में की इसीलिए. Expanded form is the place value of the digit. 1 is on 100 place means 100. 2 is on 10 means 20. And 3 in a one place it means the place value will be 3. 900. So we will write the place value 900. 5 the place value 50 and the 7 single digit number on one place. So the place value will be 7. Okay, so do this exercise, question number 1. Now the question number 2 is in 784 the digit in the tens places. We will do this exercise now. Question number 2. It is very interesting exercise. I really like it. Here it is the math gym. We have to fill the place value. Here it is number and the arrows are there on 6. The place value would be that on the 5 and very interesting exercise. So first of all we will do question number 2. Page number 35. Question number 2. Fill in. Again the exercise fill in. In 784 digit in the tens place. It is the ones, it is the tens and it is the hundreds. Digit in the tens place is 8. And digit in the 100 place, which digit on the 100 place? It is 7. We just want to ask the digit only, not the place value. Read the question very carefully. Okay, now it is the A in the B exercise. Place value of 4 in 349. It is ones, it is tens, it is 100. Place value of 4 would be 4040 because 4 is on tens place. Okay. Now place value of 3. Place value of 3 is equal to 300 because it is on hundreds place. So do it, place value. Now you may understand. Do this exercise page number 30. If you have any problem, you may ask me, you send me the message. Okay dear students, so do page number 35 in book only. Then we will do the math gym exercise. It is very interesting. We will make the 3-digit numbers and place value of 8-digit and 3-digit numbers with 1, 2 and 3 and fill in the boxes. Then we will go before and after and comparing and arranging and ascending and descending. Then we will do worksheet and adding hundreds. Okay dear?